Hey guys, hope it's going well. So I'm going to try to upload this through YouTube. I know some of you guys had trouble with the other videos that I did for Wednesday's assignments. So this is for Thursday, March the 19th. We're going to do finding the mean absolute deviation, or sometimes we call this MAD. I'm going to be upfront with you. This sounds confusing, but I'm going to emphasize 3 steps. And if you'll just remember those steps for every single time, you're going to get it. So I've already typed out notes. So when you get this, I'm going to share this whole PowerPoint with you in Google Classrooms. But open it up as a PowerPoint and click as you're ready. That way the answers aren't just on your page when you open it up. So it says we're going to learn how to describe the distribution of data by using the mean absolute deviation. So distribution means how far apart is your set of numbers. If I asked you guys right now your age and I wrote your age down, so let's say I took my homeroom, almost everybody, well actually everybody, would either be 12, 13, 14 years old. Y'all's data would not be very spread out because you're all either 12, 13, or 14. But if I took the teachers' ages and I wrote those down, we would be spread out because we've got, I think Coach Vernelson might be the youngest, 23, 4, I don't know. And then you've got some of the older ones who are 50s, 60s. So our ages are, like on the number line, are all spread out. So when we found the mean absolute deviation of teachers, our MAD would be a higher number versus the students' MAD, because all y'all's would be clumped together on the number line, like at 12, 13, 14. So this is just taking the average distance between each data value and the mean. So this is the definition. Again, I'm going to be sharing this with you. Right now I'm going to kind of go faster because it's a video and I don't want to keep you forever. You can pause and rewind if you want to hear something else. Here's the 3 steps. You're going to find the mean of your data. Whatever the set of numbers they give you, find the mean. That's the easy part because you've been doing mean for a couple of days now. You add them all together, divide by the number you have. Second step is to find the absolute distance each number is from the mean. Absolute distance means no negatives, because remember, distance can never be a negative number. Find the mean of all those distances. Again, I know this sounds confusing, but I'm going to talk you through a couple examples. So here's some data that I've got. It says, how many siblings do you have? And here's some responses. 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1. So we want to find the mean absolute deviation, or MAD. First step is to find the mean. So right there in red, you add the numbers together. We got 12, divide it by 6 because there's 6 numbers. My mean is 2. Okay, first step, like I said, is easy. Second step is we're going to find the distance each of these numbers here are from the mean. So like, how far away is 2 from 2? 0. How far away is 1 from 2? 1. How far away is 3 from 2? 1. So here's the next step. In red is what I was just saying. 2 from 2. So see, 2 from 2 is 0. 1 from 2 is 1 space. Now think of this on a number line. How far apart are they on a number line? So these numbers I've wrote in red is finding the distance each of these are from the mean. By the time you're done, so if I was given originally 6 numbers, then I should have 6 new numbers. These are my distances that each of the data set was from the mean. So once you grasp this step right here, this is going to be really easy for you. So first step was we found the mean. Second step, we found the distance each of the data set was from the mean. So now we've got 6 new numbers. Third and final step, we're going to find the mean of these distances. So here's my steps. I added them together. I got 4 divided by 6. So 0.6 repeating is my MAD. So MAD is 2/3 or 0.6 repeating. Here's a second example. How many different states have you visited? And this is so much more fun in the classroom because I actually get real data from you guys and we find the mean and find the distance, and overall we're finding the MAD. But, you know, it is what it is. I am missing your sweet faces, by the way. This is extremely hard to do versus in person. So here's our data. We're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I forgot I have a touch screen. 10 sets of numbers. So the first step is to find the mean, and I got 6. Second step, find the distance each number is from 6. So like 3 from 6 is 3 spots. Remember, this is on a number line. 12 from 6 is 6 spots. So I go through each of those numbers. I have 10 new numbers listed. That's those in red. Third and final step is find the mean of those distances, the 10 new numbers. So that's the final step. 3.8 is my MAD. So I'm not going to talk through all of these examples because I'm going to be sharing this exact PowerPoint with you, but I'm going to link this video also to Google Classroom. So if you're having trouble with the video, just know you can go to the PowerPoint and kind of take it step by step. There's also going to be some IXL practices. You can Google this. Google finding the mean absolute deviation. And there's other, like Khan Academy gives some videos. I'm sure there's tons more. But again, email or chat me through email. That's the quickest response I can get to you because my computer does a ding, and I know that you've chatted me. So I love you guys. I hope you're staying healthy and you're not getting on your parents' nerves or your siblings, and you're not fighting, you're doing your work. I still have several that have not logged into Go Formative. This is where I'm taking your grades from because it's showing me what you've completed and all that good stuff. So make sure you're doing your work through Go Formative. All right, see you later, guys.